Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show to specifically buttons as response types. So to get started, we have some flow sequences here. If you don't have flow sequences already, you can add a sequence from here. So to get started, we will first choose buttons as response type. Then you can type any text you want to show on your buttons here. Suppose we right click here and add one more button. Don't click here. And here you can add optional keywords that will also trigger this endpoint. Suppose you write here sales click me, don't false, etc. So if user types this keyword, then this endpoint will get triggered. And if user types this keyword, then this endpoint will get triggered. And also if the user clicks on the button itself, then also the endpoint will get triggered. So that's for creating a button as a response type. And then now we will click on submit. You can also delete your buttons by clicking on this bin icon. Now we will click on submit. So now we have two endpoints. One for click here and one for don't click. So we will connect this click here endpoint to this sequence. And this endpoint to this sequence. So now we will go to our bot. We click on yes and we get two buttons here. Click here, don't click here and back. This is for going back to previous chat. So when we click on click here, we get oh, that means this is good. Which is this sequence which is attached to click here endpoint. And when we click on don't click here, we get this bye, which is this.